How to create Power ISO. First, insert the USB drive. Double-click to open the Power ISO. Click the X or close button. Click Tools, USB Tools, then create bootable USB drive. Click OK and Yes. Click again the X button, then open the yellow folder and click the Windows 10 and open. After that, click the More Settings and click OK. Click Start and OK button. Wait until the progress is done downloading. Click OK and close. Click the window, then click the Restart. Press the F2 button many times. Click OK. Click Boot, then replace the SATA G4 into General UDISK 500. Click F10 once and click OK to save and reset. Click the F9 many times until the Windows pops up and click Yes. Press F2 many times. Click OK, then go to boot. Replace the General UDISK 500 into SATA G4. Click F10 once, then click OK to save and reset. Just wait until the Windows is finally open. Click this button and eject UDISK. Now you can finally remove the USB drive.